to my channel Shrishta's Creative Thoughts and Ideas. Today I'm going to show you where you can I'm going to show you an app where you can read news. So in Google, type newsforkids.net. Then you will find the first link. Open the first link. This is a very short video. So newsforkids.net, there are many newses this is mainly, if you just love to read newses, you can search newsforkids.net and you can read news. Well, some newses are free, some news are not free. And look, here is the date. Ta-da! Cows that eat pollutless. Whoa, really? Fight to end violence of women. Interesting. Whoa, look at that. That's so cool, right? Okay, that's so cool. Rocks from metal found in England? Wow, what's this? Oh my god, that's so cool. Oh my god, that's so incredible. So you can even search some news, guys. You will find the search button and you can search any of the news what you want. Well, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and share. This is a very short video, but this is very useful, guys. You can read all of the news. You can subscribe to it. Bye bye.